What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're going to be making this little guy. Well, a variation of this little guy. I'm not going to make it exactly the same. It's a couple tweaks and differences I want to make, but this is going to be the rough template of what I'm going to make. It's going to be a small EDC knife, everyday carry. It's going to be in stainless steel nitro V, which unfortunately I have not gotten the steel foil that I ordered yet. So hopefully it'll be here before the build's done in a couple of days. And we're just going to start prepping up what we can until we get to heat treat. Alright guys, so this is where we're at now. I got a hand sanded to 220. Obviously I don't have the stainless steel foil I need for heat treats, so I'm going to move on to start prepping up the handle and getting as much of everything else done that I can, so when I do get the heat treat I can basically put it together. But so far it's coming out pretty nice. I want to try it out with some I want to order some conditioning belts and try it out with conditioning belts, see if I like the end product instead of going through hand sanding. That way I can get them done faster, because this looks nice, but it adds another 2 hours of work to it. That, you know, 2 hours times 10 is 20 hours. 10 knives will make a big difference. But overall I'm starting to love it. It feels great. It's nice and light. Put some light handles on it and make a Kydex sheet for it, which I haven't made any Kydex sheet either, and I have that material ordered, so it's going to be a pretty fun build. Alright guys, this is the next day. I haven't started on the handle just yet, but look at what we got here. Our stainless foil has arrived. It's very thin. This is the first time I ordered this stuff. It is very thin. I was not sure how thin it would be. It's 0.002, I guess 2,000ths thick. So we're gonna make our little envelope and we're gonna start preheating the oven so we can heat treat. Alright guys, so my package is ready. I put a piece of paper in there because I've seen people do that on videos. Supposedly it combusts at a certain heat and it burns out all the oxygen that's left in the little pouch. I don't know. It's my first time doing this. I feel like I cut a bigger piece of sheet than I needed. I got all this extra space back here and up front, so I'll have to take that into account the next piece I cut. But it's the first piece I ever cut. I'm not expecting to get, the best yield out of what I'm doing. Alright guys, so this is the piece. It's out of the temper. I did two-hour cycles at 350. So it got pretty decent hardness on it. It's probably around 61, 62. And I also got another batch I'm working on over here. It's definitely far behind this one. But this is the test subject, so I got this batch coming up. Stay tuned for those. Alright guys, so it's glued on. Time to finish up the handle and hand sand it to about 1,000 grit before I buff it. Alright guys, so the knife is done. It came out very nice. I like the handle. It's on the smaller side, but it's very comfortable and it's very lightweight. It's a very lightweight knife. I wish I had a small scale so I could weigh it, how much it weighs, but it's pretty light. But regardless, this knife, as well as a few others I'll be showing you on screen right now, are going to be available on my website, link in the description down below. Subscribe if you want to help my small channel, and pick one up if you want to help my small business. I won't be able to make another batch probably till January. Really, by January I'll have another batch ready. I really like these knives. I definitely want to make one for myself so I can keep, because they're very, very, very handy. And if you are picking one up, it will be sent out with a Kydex sheath. I have a video coming out next week about how I'm making the Kydex sheaths. I don't have them all done yet, but they will, if you pick one up, it will mail with a Kydex sheath sometime next week. So, as always guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all. Go pick up a knife and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.